सपनों का शहर मुंबई एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट इज़ ट्रू बट नॉट फॉर ऑल. सबके सपने पूरे नहीं होते एंड इट्स नॉट द सिटी, इट्स समटाइम जस्ट द सर्कमस्टांसेस. एंड आई फील इट्स ओके इफ यू डोंट गेट एनीथिंग, you get other things that you might have never thought about. Living in Mumbai for 6 years, I've understood that you have to keep moving. And in between the chaos, you will find something that you will cherish forever. And some things that you will still run for. But all you gotta do is keep moving.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. It's about one of my favorite journeys that has changed my life so far. Shifting to Mumbai. I shifted here in July 6 years back. So coming July I'll complete 6 years. And oh my god. So basically I come from this state called Chhattisgarh, and I have lived there all my life. I've done my engineering from there, and while I was doing my engineering, I realized that there is one thing that I feel I am good at and I can do it, and it was acting. Not even kidding, it was acting, and I was so sure of it, sure about it, so sure about it. I remember it was in my first year that I had this realization that acting is something that I want to do for my future, and this is why I wanted to shift to Mumbai. But also I wanted to learn a little bit about the film industry, a little bit about camera, and stuff like that. You can't just go and act like that. And this is how I thought that I'll convince my parents that I'll do a course and I'll live in Mumbai and I'll keep giving auditions, and I saw myself doing a lot of that, and then eventually become an actor. But नहीं होता है ऐसा. स्पेशली एक्टिंग मैं सबको बोलती हूँ कि यूपीएससी जो दुनिया का वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट एग्ज़ाम है, उसको भी निकालने का आपको पाथ पता होता है. बट टू बिकम एन एक्टर देर इज़ नो पाथ, देर इज़ नो अश्योरिटी और व्हाटसोएवर. सो आई केम टू दिस सिटी. माई पेरेंट्स अग्रीड. मुझे बहुत मेहनत लगी वैसे तो उनको मनाने में, but they agreed, and then I shifted here for my post graduation, which was into mass and media. But somehow, क्योंकि मेरा लक, बैड लक भी बैड होता है, मैंने एग्ज़ाम दिया उस चीज़ का, और जैसे मैं पहुंची मेरे कॉलेज ने मुझे बोला कि ये कोर्स तो हमारे पास है ही नहीं. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू दिस कोर्स यू गो टू दिल्ली. And I was shattered into pieces. Okay, I was literally shattered. My parents were so worried. They were like, we have to take you back, we can't leave you here alone. And I was like कि मैं इतना आई हूँ, मतलब I have thought 3 years about living this life, coming to Mumbai, having my own life, own set of rules, living with all the freedom. When you are teen you think all of that and you're like ये भाई ये तो dreamy life है बिल्कुल. So I was like, I'm not going back, no chance I'm going back. And I said that I will stay here and I'll do a job. I was just graduated. I was like मैं कॉल सेंटर में काम कर लूँगी, बट मैं वापस नहीं जाऊँगी. एंड आई रिमेंबर I had a call with my father and he was not so happy about it. He started crying. My mother was like, oh बिगड़ गई है लड़की and ये but मैं थोड़ी थी rebellious type. So I was like, no, I have to stay here. And then what happened is that the college said कि भाई we have similar no, actually what happened is my mother went to the college and told them that I literally take your case, bring the media here, bring the people who are influential, and make sure that you are behind the bars because you have written the course in your brochure, you have taken exams, my daughter qualified for it, I even got a merit for it, and then you are saying you don't have the course. So they were like, वो उनकी फट गई. They were like कि listen, we'll give you the money back, आपका फ्लाइट का जो पैसा लगा, आपका रहने का लगा, ये सब आपको दे देंगे, but listen to us, we have a similar course which is into media but it also has fashion into it. So they made me, meet few teachers. They made me meet few students who were doing that course, and it was similar, but it had fashion. I had never thought of doing fashion. Okay, never in my wildest dream I thought I'll do fashion, but then I opted for it because I could see that how worried my parents were. उनको भी लगा कि भाई कहाँ जॉब ढूंढेगी ये नए शहर में, कोई है नहीं. तो दे बोला कि ठीक है भाई तुम ये कर लो. एंड वी मेड श्योर कि मेरा जो मेरिट का 50% ऑफ था वो उसमें लगे, बिकॉज इट वॉज पर्ल अकेडमी. ओके, लेट मी टेल यू दैट. एंड वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, तो दैट 50% मेंट अ लॉट ऑब्वियसली. सो फिर वो उसमें लगाया, एंड दैट्स हाउ स्टार्टेड लिविंग इन मुंबई. बट यू नो, dream city and sapno ki nagari and all of that we call it, I came with certain dreams. I am nowhere close to it, let me tell you that, guys. Usually a story starts with कि मैंने ये किया और आज मैं यहाँ हूँ, but जो dream मैंने देखा था, I have not, like acting wise I'm nowhere. I have done great for myself. Okay, so my storage was full obviously. I was saying, usually people say these stories because at the end of it you listen ki, oh, now look where I am, I succeeded, I fulfilled my dream and I am living my dream and all of that. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ, because and it's because of nobody, it's because of my own lack of determination or whatever you want to call it. It was difficult or whatever it is, but I didn't achieve any of it, but I have made a life for myself. मतलब मैं जो सोच के आई थी वो नहीं हुआ, बट राइट नाउ आई एम फुली इंडिपेंडेंट एंड आई हैव बीन इंडिपेंडेंट फॉर गुड 4 years नाउ, मोर देन 4 years. आई लिव्ड ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ. मैंने इतनी चीज़ें सीखी है यहाँ पे, इतनी चीज़ें सीखी हैं. आई एम समवन हु वाज ऑल्सो, आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट अ वे. तो मैंने अपना करियर भी यहाँ बिल्ड किया. I met my husband here, and a lot of things went very nicely. Like right now I am very content with where I am. Not that I've forgotten my dreams. It literally I'm not gonna lie, but मैं सोचती हूँ उसके बारे में. If not much, then in every 2 to 3 days I think about it, but because I still feel that I can do it. I still feel that I'm someone who is made for it. But sometimes life happens, sometimes you have to fulfill your responsibilities, and I came from a background where nobody supported this, so I was all on my own. Nobody knew this. पता नहीं अब कल के दिन वो ये वीडियो देखेंगे तो शायद उनको पता चलेगा. उनको थोड़ा आइडिया तो था कि भाई हमारी लड़की है तो नौटंकी, एंड शी वांट्स टू गेट इनटू स्टफ लाइक दिस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई शी इज गोइंग टू बॉम्बे. But they didn't know that that was my goal. But yeah, that's a little journey of me, how I came to Bombay, and now I'm going to complete 6 years working here, living here. So basically क्या है ना, बॉम्बे का एक फंडा है. मेरे इतने दोस्त यहाँ आए हैं और गए हैं, आए हैं और गए हैं, ठीक है. बट द रीज़न वाई आई एम स्टिल हियर and now I'm settled, I'm going to be here all my life, is because I wanted to live here. I loved Mumbai from pictures, videos. मुझे बस बहुत अच्छा लगता था. मेरे पास कोई रीज़न नहीं था. मैं जा चुकी थी पहले मुंबई, पर मेरे पास कोई रीज़न नहीं था. सो अगर आप, if you want to make it here, you will make it here. It's a bloody expensive city when it comes to living. It's bloody expensive. A 1 BHK would cost you about 40,000-50,000 rupees here. कोई मजाक नहीं है, it's a lot. But if you are someone who really wants to live here and you see yourself settling here, और आपको बॉम्बे से प्यार है, तो ही आप यहाँ रुक सकते हो. And I'm telling you, I have experienced this myself, that up to a certain extent I wanted to live in Mumbai, and now things happened, and now Mumbai will never let me go. Honestly, it's like that. I'm telling you, I'm crazily in love with this city. It's been a while I've talked about this city. I always talk about this city to my husband or my friends, but through this video, I refreshed a lot of memories, and I'm kind of a little memory down lane. But yes, if you want to come to Mumbai, please do. अगर आप शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए आना चाहते हो तो बिल्कुल मत सोचो, आ जाओ. इससे अच्छी सेफ जगह लड़कियों के लिए और कोई नहीं है. पार्टी party life is crazy and you get to do so many things, and beaches hai yahan pe, there is sea in between the chaos. So it's lovely, and this was my video, a little heartfelt video about how I started living here and how my life is going. We'll talk a little more about my life, but later on when I become a little more famous, when people would care. Until then, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in next video.